All right, guys, so, we're super excited for your position that you just got. We started in the same place that you're starting right now, and it changed our lives. We could have stayed there if we really, really wanted to be able to make something happen, but we just chose another path, guys. So right here, you're starting out learning these strategies so that you can implement them. And we literally laid it all out for you. We laid it all out.
Everything is on the table.
Everything's on the table, guys.
I want the check. Check. Ooh, no. I want the check. Check. Ooh, no. I want the check. 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 I want the check. I want the check.
So I want to wish you all good luck on your voyage into this whole new venture. Remember, guys, if you're working in an acquisitions firm, it's all sales, right? It's a little bit more than that. You know what I'm saying? My buddy Pablo, he runs a cold call center here with me, and this is some of the stuff that we teach our guys. Our guys make just as much money as we do. We have just massive overhead and a bigger operation, but it's all about just scaling up, okay?
Guys, you're literally one call away. So don't stop, don't give up, and don't quit. Just like that old fable you hear about the guy who was digging for gold, who quit right before he was about to hit it, and the person that he sold it to hit gold within 30 minutes. All right, you're one call away. So keep digging through those calls, working through the objections, building rapport, so that way you can get to that ultimate deal that's going to change your life and change the course of your family's life for the rest of eternity. All right, one call away.
One call away, guys. It's all about building that pipeline. Thank y'all so much for watching. Again, Pablo and I, we're super excited for you. Go out there and kill those phones.
Let's
Telephone
get it.
Terrorist, boy.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I want the check. Check. Ooh, no. I want the check.